Standard Proctor test. Objective: to obtain the maximum dry density and the optimum moisture content. Equipment used in this lab. Procedure: determine the weight of the mold body by using the balance and record the weights, measure its internal diameter and length in several places and calculate the mean dimensions. Apply with an oily cloth on the internal surface of mold to ease the removal of soil later on. Measure the empty pan mixing and plus or minus 5 kg of dried soil sample that has passing through sieve. Place the mold assembly on a solid base, such as concrete floor, and pour the moist soil into the mold in 3 equal layers. Each layer should be compacted uniformly by the standard Proctor hammer 25 times before the next layer of loose soil is poured into the mold. Do not attempt to grab the lifting knob before the rammer has come to rest. Repeat for the second and third layer that the final layer shall not more than 6 mm above the mold body. Remove the top attachment from the mold. Be careful not to break off any of the compacted soil inside the mold while removing the top attachment. Using a straight edge, trim the excess soil above the mold at top of the compacted soil will be even with the top of the mold. Determine the weight of the mold plus base plate plus compacted moist soil in the mold, and remove the base plate from the mold by using a jack and extrude the compacted soil cylinder from the mold. Take a moisture container and determine its mass. From the moist soil extruded, collect a moisture sample in the moisture cannon. Each layer this must do immediately before the soil dry out, and determine the mass of the container and moist soil. Place the moisture container with the moist soil in the oven to dry to a constant weight. Break the rest of the compacted soil by hand and mix it with the leftover moist soil in the pan. Repeat step by add more water and mix it to raise the moisture content approximately. After 24 hours, recover the sample in the oven and determine the weight W2. Thank for watching.